Welcome to Out of the World, and this place behind me doesn't need any introduction. Of course, this is Thailand, it's Krabi, and in this episode I will show you the most interesting places that you can find over here. But first I'd like to take you back to the previous episode, because the natural wonder of Khao Sok is only a 3-hour drive away from Krabi, so I highly recommend to combine the two. Krabi is a province and also a big city, but we stay in Ao Nang, which is a little village near the coast where you can do all kinds of activities. Next to the beautiful Andaman Sea lies the impressive coastline of Krabi. In Ao Nang you will find many nice resorts and restaurants, and by boat you can visit many beautiful islands from here. First, I have to show you our awesome hotel. We pay about 30 bucks and what's included is this water slide. Let's go, Jens! For Jens, this is a dream come true. Okay, yes, for all of us. The province of Krabi is a real holiday paradise, and there are some nice activities to do in the neighborhood. So today it's pretty good weather and we're gonna catch a boat and go to the most beautiful beach straight away. And for this we take a lovely traditional longtail boat. The boat trip costs us less than 2 bucks a person, and they also wait to take you back. The place I was referring to is Railay Beach. It takes you about 15 minutes by boat, which is the only way to get here. And this beach is so gorgeous that I think you already know this picture from the magazines. Railay Beach has been voted the most beautiful beach in Thailand countless times and is often listed among the most beautiful beaches in the entire world. I think it's not that much the beach, but especially the view that makes this a unique place. When we sit on the beach, we hear some movement in the trees above us. A large family of spectacled langurs is dropping by. Time for lunch in the cozy streets just behind the beach. And tonight we eat Indian. As it turns out, in Ao Nang there are a bunch of Indian restaurants and we like that. Oh, and also the cheap cocktails. Krabi has so many beautiful beaches and beautiful nature all around. But Thailand wouldn't be Thailand without some temples and colorful Buddha statues. And that's why we went to the Tiger Cave Temple. It's a temple inside a cave, but it's also a mountain with a beautiful view over the area.
It's 1,200 steps to go up on the hottest day of my vacation. So let's get to it.
The literal highlight of Krabi is the tough climb up on this high mountain, which is full of macaques, by the way.
Wow guys, it's so exhausting. Sometimes they have a mark on the stairs how many steps you already had, and I see there behind Suze it's about 300, so a quarter. And it's exhausting and so hot. But let's continue our journey. Whew. Oh my god guys, this is step number 1200 and we're still not there, so I guess they screwed us.
Bastards.
Finally, we made it.
I know that so far we have been very fortunate to see so much of our beautiful Earth, but this is yet another breathtaking sight.
Oh guys, it's so hot and I'm exhausted. I could murder someone for ice cream.
Perfect.
Before we go and head on out of here, we visited the Tiger Cave Temple, of course, which is a temple in a cave with tigers, basically. And it's pretty cool.
Today we have to say goodbye to my mom. But what an adventure did we have with the four of us.
We leave Krabi, but we're not through in Thailand yet. We're going on a boat, not this one, but the bigger one in the back, and we're going to another highlight in Thailand, Koh Phi Phi. See you there. For us, it's not the first time that we're on Koh Phi Phi. We were here before in 2015, about 7 years ago, long before Jens was even born. And now we're here looking for a good accommodation, which can be very expensive, but I found another treasure on the internet. For about 40 bucks we stay at this beautiful swimming pool next to the beach, and we got this little cabin. I'll show you.
The Phi Phi Villa Resort is located in a quiet place, but not far from all the restaurants and attractions. With the drone I can see right away how stunningly beautiful this island is. It happens to be perfect weather today, and that's not so common in the rain season on Koh Phi Phi. So that's why I'm gonna take you to the Phi Phi viewpoint with the most beautiful view over the entire island. And today we meet Marika and Leonard here, two friends of ours that we met before in Khao Sok. The five of us climbed to an amazing place.
The walk in total takes us about 30 minutes, and it's especially hard with a kid on your neck, I can tell you from experience. But the view is worth it very much. Look at this, guys. Wow.
At the moment we're standing on the top of Koh Phi Phi Don, the largest in a total of 6 islands. Later on we get to visit some others.
Today the weather is a little bit off, it's a bit cloudy, so I thought this would be the perfect day to do a little pub crawl in town. Let's go!
Wow, there is a lot to experience on Koh Phi Phi. And we top off the evening with a real Thai fire show.
Good morning, guys! Today is a wonderful day and it's time to explore the neighborhood. And with the neighborhood, I mean the sea around us. In Koh Phi Phi you can take many boat tours, and we're gonna take one for the whole day, which also goes to Maya Bay. And you really have to see Maya Bay.
First, the boat takes us to Koh Phi Phi Leh, the second largest island here. The most famous bay is called Maya Bay, which became world famous as a secluded paradise in the movie The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio.
The island of Koh Phi Phi Leh is kind of steep, so it's hard to get on land anywhere. It's also forbidden to go to Maya Bay in the off-season, which is today, unfortunately, so we went to Phi Leh Lagoon, and over there we can do some snorkeling on the other side of the island.
The underwater world in Phi Leh Lagoon is breathtaking. We see so many different tropical fish, and the true highlight is this water snake. I later learned that it's 10 times more poisonous than a cobra, and I swam right beside him for a while. Luckily they don't bite too often.
Wow guys, something terrible just happened. I found out that there is no beer on the next island. So we're having a 10-minute stop to go to 7-Eleven on Koh Phi Phi. Let's go.
On to island number 3, and that's the more remote and uninhabited Bamboo Island.
The kayak took us to Bamboo Island, and it's this small island, uninhabited, where you can walk a bit through the jungle and see all the sights. The weather is still not great, but the island is beautiful.
Of course, an uninhabited island cannot go without a white Robinson Crusoe beach.
And that's it, guys, for today's episode. We're gonna say goodbye to Koh Phi Phi and we're gonna say goodbye to Thailand because we're gonna move on to Indonesia. This world trip is far from over, so I'll see you there.
First we visit the highlights of Java and then we go on to Paradise Island, Bali. So subscribe and I'll see you there.